G'day guys, back here on our Moffat Beach CLT project, and as usual things are cracking along on this one. This project has been so challenging with the amount of obviously the delays we had with the house removal at the start of the project, and then just being such a detailed and complicated project and trying to get trades and materials to turn up when we need them to turn up. With COVID and sickness and all those types of things has just led to the complications of this project. But everyone, our entire team, our contractors, everyone is doing such a great job. Everyone's trying really, really hard. And I'm getting very, very excited because all the internal works on this project are actually only 4 to 6 weeks away now from being completed. So really exciting times. We're about to get our last stage of scaffolding dropped early next week, which will be really, really exciting. We're going to expose the whole outside of the house. And one thing that I'm super excited about is to see the copper work. So over the last week, the guys from ARC have been working on the front awning roof. The entire top sheeting, the guttering, the soffit underneath, all the flashing, everything is done in this beautiful copper finish. It is real copper, so it'll obviously match in with the other copper flashings on the project. But even the copper flashings that have been done on this project, over a month ago now, when we did all the roof works and the high works on this project, have already started aging and are starting to blend in with the tallowood cladding so well. So really excited to see that. Internally, things have been going along really well. So the waterproofs have been in, the tiler's now on site, and I tell you what, he is doing a sensational job. So before the tiler started, there's actually been a lot of work in the wet areas on this project because there's different types of tiles, and they range from being a 22mm thick stone down to, I think it's like a 6mm porcelain tile. So obviously we want the finish on the outside of the wall to be flush. So we've had to mark out where the tiles go. Where there's porcelain tiles, we've had to pack out with extra layers of Villabord so that we can get that nice flush finish on the outside. And we're not just relying on our tiler building up massive amounts of glue behind the tiles, because that's just not good practice. The other thing that the tiler is really doing a great job with is around all of our niches, all our returns into our window frames, everything is getting mitered. So the effort that they're going into mitering this 20mm thick stone is absolutely amazing. And as usual, grateful for all the work they do on our project. So we've got Rob and the guys from Charged here. They're starting to do some of the fit-off work. So it's just been something we've been doing this year. They had another job cancelled, so they've come up to our job early, and we're just working in with them to accommodate and get whatever we can get done. So hats off to Rob and the team for doing such a great job, especially with this CLT. Like, seeing it come together now, the effort that was gone to get the wiring hidden within the panels and our wall cavities, and then seeing them going around now and putting these incredible light fixtures and power points and everything into this home is absolutely awesome. You might be able to see behind me, we got the black finish on the wall. So again, we're using the Cutek product on this job. Absolutely love it. And we've used a mixture of a whitewash and a black finish, as you can see behind me. So the house is just coming up unbelievably. It's truly like we are, well, these clients are going to be living within a piece of artwork. So the painters have done an incredible job. They've been on site now for 4 or 5 weeks, and literally every square inch of the inside walls and ceilings has been sanded with belt sanders and orbital sanders, because it is all timber. And I tell you what, the prep work they've done, it's now showing that they've put all the coatings on, because it is looking absolutely amazing. Our own carpenters have been doing some of the finishing stuff now. They've gone around, they've put all the detailed black shadow lines around all the internal doors and windows. And it's just all coming together, and it's really starting to excite everybody that is seeing this project. The owners are over the moon, and we can't wait to keep you updated as this project nears completion.